In today's video, I'll walk you through how to set up a button in Systeme.io. It's a straightforward process that you can accomplish with just a few steps. To get started, make sure you have two essential requirements: a Systeme.io account and a page that's ready for editing. Once you have access to these, you're all set to create the button you need. First, let's dive into adding the button element itself. Head over to your Tools panel where you'll find the button element. Simply drag and drop it onto the part of the page where you want it to appear. It's quite flexible, so you can experiment with placement until you find the perfect spot that aligns with your page design. Now that you have the button in place, it's time to configure it to suit your particular needs. Click on the settings icon linked to your button element. This action will open up the button settings on the left-hand side of your page editor. It's here where the customization begins, offering you a range of options to define your button's functionality. In the button settings, you'll discover 5 different actions that dictate what happens when someone clicks your button. We'll explore each one so you can make an informed decision. The send form action is a great place to start. This option is particularly useful because it saves the contact details of users who register through the form and automatically redirects them to the next page in your funnel. Remember, you can place multiple send form buttons on one page, but it's wise to ensure that each button includes the same form fields. This consistency ensures they all follow the same automation rules seamlessly. Next, there's the Show Pop-up action. If your goal is to provide visitors with extra information or gather additional details, this is an excellent choice. By triggering a pop-up you've created on the same page, you can capture additional engagement without overwhelming the main content. If you're looking to direct visitors elsewhere, the Open URL action is your friend. This option lets your button redirect users to another page or website. Simply enter the desired destination URL and decide whether it should open in the same window or a new one, depending on your user experience goals. For those working with funnels, the next step URL action comes in handy. With this, you can automatically transition users to the next step in your sales funnel when they click the button, ensuring a smooth guidance process through your funnel path. Lastly, we have the Download File action. This setup allows users to download a file directly upon clicking the button. All you need to do is upload your file by clicking the cloud icon, making it ready for instant download. And there you have it. By adhering to these steps, you can easily set up and customize a button in Systeme.io that fits your exact requirements. Buttons are a powerful tool for engaging visitors and enhancing your funnel's performance. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Systeme.io. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.